In this video, we're going to learn how to fix login error in ITVX application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application, make sure that your device is connected to a secure internet connection. Swipe down on the control center and you want to simply tap on your Wi-Fi to turn on the Wi-Fi and to connect to a secure network. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your internet connection. However, if you're facing any other kinds of problem with the application, like with your logins and stuff, you can simply click on settings and you want to scroll down and click on general. Click on iPhone storage and you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the ITVX application. Click on show all and there you go. Tap on the ITVX application and click on offload app. Click on offload app again and simply tap on reinstall app. By doing so, and what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the application, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your logins. However, if you're facing any other kinds of problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.